Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making pork belly. I'll show you how I turned this into this. It is so simple and easy to make. Well, if you are new to my channel, please remember to like, share, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. So, let's get cooking. For today's recipe, I'm using 2 kilograms worth of pork belly. Well, that's just enough for what I need for today. So what I'm doing right now is I will put some skewers into the skin. I'll do these skewers diagonally. So I'll score these into tiny, mini little diamond shapes. I'll put it across once and then I'll turn it over. I'll do the same thing again on the other side so it brings out some tiny, mini little diamond shapes. Just like this. I will season this pork belly with about a teaspoon of rock salt, rubbing it in on both sides, both the front and the back, and I'll set it aside for now. Now for my dry rub. I'm toasting 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns. I'll toast these for about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes max, until you can smell all the flavor coming right out of it. It smells really strong and amazing, and that's what I'll be using to rub in. To this I will add rock salt and some fresh thyme. I'll pound these 4 ingredients together until it's roughly coarse. That's just right for what I need. I'll chop up a bit of rosemary and I'll add to this and just mix it all together. Combining this together just makes the perfect dry rub for what I need. Now here's my favorite part. I just enjoy massaging this dry rub all over the pork belly, generously of course. It feels almost therapeutic. Well, to make sure these lovely spices is distributed all over evenly, I will flip my pork belly over and I'll do the same thing on the other side, making sure the spices go everywhere. It is now time to roast my pork belly, but what I like to do is chop up some big chunks of onion just to make a bed for the pork belly to lay on. This will just really help with the 2-hour-long slow roasting process, as it would ensure that heat is distributed across evenly. This will go into the oven and roast slowly for 2 whole hours. And after 2 hours, it's nice and golden and it is absolutely ready to eat. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you did enjoy this video, please click the thumbs up button, like, share, and do subscribe for more videos. So I will see you again next Friday with another recipe. Thanks. Bye-bye.